Building a company financial performance dashboard has never been this easy. This is what we're building. This is the data we're working with. Let's create it live. We start by importing our Excel file into Bricks. The upload completes instantly. Now we click Create Dashboard and watch the magic happen. Bricks AI is analyzing our financial data, identifying key patterns and relationships. It's automatically generating the most relevant visualizations for our dataset. The system creates 6 powerful charts showing net profit versus employees, revenue by industry, monthly trends, regional distribution, quarterly performance, and profit margins, plus 2 essential data tables for deeper analysis. Our company financial performance dashboard is complete with comprehensive financial insights. We can instantly customize the visual theme to match our brand. Now, let's explore presentation mode for stakeholder meetings. This full-screen view is perfect for executive presentations, board meetings, or team reviews. Every chart and metric is optimized for maximum visual impact. We can navigate seamlessly between different sections while maintaining that professional presentation feel. Back to edit mode, we can scroll through our interactive dashboard and make real-time adjustments. Try Bricks today and transform how you work with data.